Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the steps to enable haptic feedback for the Messages app on your iPhone. With this setting turned on, your iPhone will give a subtle vibration whenever you receive a text message, so you never miss an important message. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app from your home screen. Scroll down until you find Apps and then tap on it. From the list of apps, select Messages. Inside the Messages setting, go ahead and tap on Notifications. Now here's the important part. Under Notifications, tap on the Sounds option. On this page, you will see the option for Haptics. Tap on it, and on the next screen, make sure you select anything other than the None option. This will turn on the haptics for incoming text messages and iMessages. Once enabled, your iPhone will provide vibration feedback along with the notification sound whenever a text arrives. This is really useful if you often keep your iPhone on silent or in your pocket because the haptics make sure you still notice incoming messages. And that's it, you have successfully turned on haptics for messages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips, tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching.